Oh. We've just pulled up at, the Telebudgera Dog Beach. Oh, he's so excited to get out the car. But today is our Valentine's Day activity because Hayden was very, very sick. So we're finally doing the activity I had planned, which is taking Beans to the beach for the first time. So he's very excited.
Where are we?
We're at the beach. He's very ready to get out the car. So let's get going.
Swim, Beans, swim! Good boy! Good boy! It's okay! Oh, he's getting sucked out to sea! Ah! I think you're traumatizing him.
I think he sort of liked it though.
He wasn't too crazy. Oh, wet boy.
He's like, I'm unsure.
Let's go to an interview. What did you think?
Good boy. Do you want to do one where you hold him in there?
That is a wet sandy dog.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Oh look, there's another one. Ready, Beans?
Ready?
Ready? Oh. Are you trying to swim? Are you trying to swim? Oh, good boy.
I think that was good.
That was good. Can we wait for one more? Oh, good boy. washed hair, washed Bean, eating his dinner. We made chicken burgers for dinner. I have mine with slaw and mayonnaise. Hayden apparently doesn't like slaw and mayonnaise. He has his with just mayonnaise and cheese. But we're nice and showered and clean. Gonna have some dinner. Oh, that was the mayonnaise.
No, that was my...
We're gonna have dinner. We have apple pie for dessert. Should we put the apple pie in the oven now?
Ooh! Yeah, if you want.